Welcome you all. So far you must have been aware how to create Google Classroom, how we can use stream section for our announcement, how we can use classwork section and how we can create topics, assign material to the topics, how we can use people section in this, how we can add teachers and how we can add students. Okay. Now today we will try to learn how to assign an assignment to the students. For assigning assignment, we will go to the create option and we'll click on assignment. Okay. Now we can assign any assignment to the student. Okay. Suppose I assign a topic to student, write an essay on COVID-19. Okay. And instructions are optional. Here we can either add the instructions or we can left it empty. Okay, so in instruction I can add students need to enter the or students are required to add reference. Okay, and now what we can do is we can either add our assignment from Google Drive, link, file, YouTube, or we can create. Click on create. Okay, suppose we go on add option and go to file options which contain the instruction on how to write essay. Okay, so suppose I add an instruction sheet for our students. So here we can see that I have uploaded an instruction sheet for our student. Upload. Now we can see it has been uploaded. Now after uploading we can see certain options which is available to us. Either we can select student can view the file. Second, we can select student can edit the file. In this case, all students can edit this file. Third, we can make a separate copy for each student. So we can select any of these options. For this case, right now I am selecting student can view the file. Now again we can go to the for option. In this, if we have created multiple classes, we can assign a class. We can select the number of students. So far we have only one student, so I have assigned a student, that is me only, and we can assign the points or marks. Suppose in this case we assigned 25 marks for our student, then we can decide a date by which date they have to submit. So suppose I have marked by 30th of June they have to submit the assignment, and times, that is optional, again we can set any time. So suppose I set by 12 noon student need to submit the assignment, and we can again assign this essay to any of our topic. So suppose I assign this assignment to my topic how to add material to classroom. Okay, and now I can click on assign sign. So after assigning we can see how to add material to classroom. This was our topic and it has been assigned by with an assignment. Okay, also if we go to the stream option we can see an announcement, and student can see this announcement that they have to write an essay on COVID-19, and this is the material which I have provided to them for writing an essay on COVID-19. Now let's just move to a student field. So now I can see that there is an announcement that there is a new assignment, write an essay on COVID-19, and this was the material which was posted by the teacher. Okay, I can click on this announcement and I can see that there is an assignment, okay. Now what I can do is I can click on add or create. Student can click on add or create and they can add the file which they have to write an assignment. Now the student what the student can do is student can add the assignment, can upload the assignment. Okay, now you can see these assignments, student assignments are uploading. Okay, yes. Now one more thing was there, add or create. The student have to add the link. Okay, so student have to mention the link from which they have access the information. So student can go to the website COVID-19. They can click on the website. Suppose in this case current.mygovernment.in. Student can click on this link, copy this URL and add the link for teacher. Now the link has been added for the teacher. Okay, and student can click on turn in. So the assignment has been submitted by the student. Now again if we will go back to the teacher section, so I can go to the classwork, I can go to the add material and I can check my assignment. We can see that it has been handed in. That means student has been submitted. Now if the student has not submitted, it will be shown here that much number of student has been assigned. Okay, and since the student has submitted the assignment, this converted into 0 and this one converted into 1. Okay, if suppose in case if we have 10 students and 10 student has been given an assignment and only one has been submitted the assignment, it will show 1 and this figure will show 9. And if none of the student has been submitted the assignment, this will show 10 and this will show 0. Okay, now what the teacher can do is teacher can click on the assignment. Okay, now after clicking on assignment, okay, now after clicking on assignment, we can see the student have submitted the assignment. I can also check the link. I can click on open a new window. The link is available to me now, and now I can assign marks to my student. Suppose now since this assignment was submitted by me to me only, I'll assign 25 out of 25. Okay, and you can also write any comments which will be privately visible to the students. Now the moment you will click on return, the marks will be allotted to the student. Okay, now we can see that this 25 marks has been allotted to the student, and we can see this specific student has scored 25 out of 25. Now there is 1 marked, 0 assigned, 0 handed in. Okay, that's all for assignment. Now in our next lecture we will cover the quiz section. Thank you very much.